Healthy dinner ideas for weight loss. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be discussing some healthy dinner ideas that can aid in weight loss. Maintaining a healthy diet is key to achieving your fitness goals, and dinner is a crucial part of it. So let's get started. Grilled chicken salad. Our first healthy dinner option is grilled chicken salad. Grilled chicken is a lean protein source that can help in weight loss. You can season it with your favorite herbs and spices and pair it with fresh vegetables like lettuce, spinach, carrots, and cucumbers. You can also add a light vinaigrette dressing for some extra flavor. Baked fish with roasted vegetables. Fish is another great source of lean protein that can be used in a healthy dinner. You can bake a piece of fish such as salmon or cod and pair it with some roasted vegetables like broccoli, zucchini, and bell peppers. This meal is low in calories, high in protein, and packed with essential nutrients. Veggie stir-fry. For a vegetarian option, you can make a veggie stir-fry. You can stir-fry a mix of vegetables like broccoli, mushrooms, bell peppers, and onions with some brown rice or quinoa. You can also add some tofu or tempeh for some extra protein. Turkey chili. Chili is a hearty and comforting meal that can be a healthy dinner option. You can make turkey chili by using ground turkey instead of beef and adding some beans, tomatoes, and chili powder. This meal is high in protein, fiber, and low in fat, making it an ideal dinner for weight loss. Grilled vegetables with quinoa. Grilled vegetables are a delicious and healthy dinner option. You can grill a mix of vegetables like zucchini, bell peppers, and eggplant and serve them with some quinoa. Quinoa is a whole grain that is rich in fiber and protein, making it an ideal addition to any weight loss diet. Conclusion. So these are some healthy dinner ideas for weight loss. These meals are not only low in calories but also high in essential nutrients that your body needs. Remember, eating healthy is not about depriving yourself of food but about making smart choices. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.